Special greetings, my dear students. In our previous class, we learned network and the types of network. Today, I am going to explain a networking device and networking terminology. Before going to networking terminology, in previous class, I explained with a list example of LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN and CAN. Now see here, LAN full form, local area network, already we know, but this LAN, it can be in a school, college, office, means we can able to say it is a one building. Our school is it can be a one building. This is a building, okay. LAN, it can be in a one building, means one small area, one building we can use LAN, or 2-3 building also near to that we can able to use a LAN. MAN means particular, means one full district we can able to say. Now we are in GKP, means Gorakhpur. This full GKP is a MAN, particular geographical area. We are example cable TV or any government provided things we can able to say MAN. Only particular district or particular area, means it is larger than a LAN. LAN means one building, MAN means a particular district or more bigger than a LAN. WAN means a wide area network, it is an entire world. It is a world network. If your tablet or your computer or your any device, electronic device, if it is connected through the internet, connected to the internet, means you are in a world network, means a wide area, you are in a wide area network. Your mobile is connected to internet, so you are in a WAN, so automatically you are in a WAN. With help of WAN, you can able to gather information about anything, in about regarding anywhere. So that is a wide area network. Next one is a PAN. Our day to day life, commonly we are using a Bluetooth. Bluetooth is the best example for the PAN. Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth we are using to transfer file. So this all will come in a PAN, personal area network. Next one is a clustered area network. This clustered area network, students please, LAN means a one building or two building, means a near to, very near, but we can able to connect plenty of systems. MAN means a bigger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN, smaller than a WAN. PAN is a personal area network, 10 meter means in our room, but mostly Bluetooth average is 100 meter we can able to transfer. But if it is a 4-walled room, so signal we cannot able to send near through 100 meter because it will break. And a CAN we can able to say it is smaller than a MAN, means of 4-5 buildings. So MAN means a one building I told now. So like this is a 4 or 5 buildings, little bit far. Means MAN is a one full district, but CAN we can able to say it is not a district, it can be a one full sector or particular area. In that particular district, some particular selected area we can able to say CAN. So this is the types of network: LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN. These full forms are very important. After this, now we can go to a networking devices. Students, if you are going to connect this all network, so you need some particular device. Without device, we cannot able to connect any network. First of all, modem. So mostly we are hearing this word modem many times. Everywhere in our home, everywhere we are using. Actually, modem means it will come with a telephone line. If you are in your home, landline mobile is there. I am not talking about your cell phone, or I am not talking about your home, any tablet or anything. I am talking about a landline mobile. If in your home landline mobile will be there, you can able to buy a modem. This modem, it is separate hardware component we have to install in a with the telephone cable. With the telephone line we will install this. What it will do means whatever you're typing through the computer, it will convert your digital signal into analog signal and it will transfer to that particular cable. With the telephone cable it will go and it will retrieve the data. So that is a modem. Next one is the hub. So if in our computer lab also you can able to see many systems will be there. So from here to here or any system there will be one small box, white color box, and there will be many holes. So you will connect here, and this system cable also connect here. So this is a hub. White color box you can able to see in our computer lab. You've seen many times already. If those who didn't see, please kindly see in your book. In your book also they give an image. So this is a hub. This white color box is there now. From this system to this hub we will connect one cable, LAN cable. We will connect and this system to again hub. Now with help of this hub, 3 systems are connected. In a one hub, 8 systems we can able to connect. Sometime if it is a hub is bigger, we can able to connect 16 also. We connected. With help of this hub, A can access C system, C can access B system also, and B can access both systems simultaneously. So that is a hub. Understanding now? So do you have any doubt with that? We will connect this LAN cables in a hub. With help of the hub, we can able to transmit the data. Students, this hub switch, both are very similar. Don't get confused. Hub and switch both are same. But in a switch, only one thing you have to remember. Comparing to hub, switch performance is more. It will perform more better, very better than a hub. Hub also will perform, but how the hub physical component, how the physical structure of hub, same way switch also the structure will be. The only one different is what? Performance of switch is higher than a hub. Repeater. This repeater will convert, this repeater will get the signal and it will regenerate a signal. So whatever data we are giving, it will get and it will regenerate to another system like that. Okay. After router, in this place router, students, router is used to connect, see a LAN, MAN, WAN. If you are having a router, with help of the router, you can connect LAN and MAN, or MAN and WAN, or CAN and LAN or PAN. Means this all are the different networks. Am I right? LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN. These are the different networks. With help of the router, we can able to connect this different network together. 2 LAN, 3 LAN, or 1 MAN, 1 CAN. Not, it is not exactly one. It can be a many. We can able to connect it. After gateway, gateway is the entrance. Now we are LFS. Now we are a LFS. Now if you want to go to, if you want to log into any other, example science. So science research one group is there, means any other, what to say, college or research big sector. If you want to access data from LFS to this group, so this is a different, this is a different. Am I right? LFS totally different and the science is totally different. While entering in this place, gateway will be there. Means gateway will stop the access of third person or any other person. So now gateway, in that place we have to enter your exact username, password, valid username, password for this science group. If you enter, if it is correct, you are allowed to log in. Means this is a LAN, okay, and this is a WAN. with help of LAN, if you want to log into another network area, you need a particular means valid username password. If you have that, definitely you can able to log in. So gateway will stop access of another person. Same way, if anyone wants to access our system, they are stranger or they are thief, so with help of gateway we can able to stop. Means we can able to say it is like a firewall also, especially in a bank money transaction, this gateway will be there. Next one is a bridge. Students, this bridge and router both are almost similar. Okay, bridge and router both are almost similar. So this also used to connect two or means it is limited, means 2 or 3 LAN, or one LAN is here, one LAN network, here is a WAN network, and here is a CAN network. With help of this bridge we can able to connect all together. Now these three different networks are connected. So this is the help of a bridge. Students, just given orally, please kindly go through your book whenever you are getting free time, and for your examination only MCQ will come. First and second chapter, what content I uploaded in our school website, please kindly go through it. Here, networking terminology. Students, this is a networking terminology: internet, bandwidth, ISP, website, web portal, web page, home page, link, hyperlink, hypertext. So this all things we can able to see in a next video class. Thanks for watching.